Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Subaru WRX STI versus the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X. These two iconic performance sedans have captivated enthusiasts for decades, stemming from their fierce rivalry on rally stages worldwide. We will delve into their distinct engineering philosophies, examining how each car delivers its unique brand of high-performance driving. Get ready to explore the heart of these machines, from their powerful engines to their sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, and discover what makes each one a legend. Under the hood, these rivals take different approaches. The Subaru WRX STI boasts a 2.5-liter turbocharged boxer engine, known for its low center of gravity and distinctive rumble, typically delivering around 305 horsepower and 290 pound-feet of torque. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, on the other hand, utilizes a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing about 291 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. Both cars achieve impressive acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour times often ranging from 4 to 5 seconds. Both vehicles are renowned for their sophisticated all-wheel drive systems, crucial for their rally-bred performance. The Subaru WRX STI employs its driver-controlled center differential, or DCCD, which allows drivers to manually or automatically adjust the front-to-rear torque split, offering a customizable driving experience. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X counters with its Super All-Wheel Control, or SOC, an advanced system that integrates active yaw control to precisely vector torque to individual wheels, enhancing cornering agility and stability. These systems are key to their exceptional grip. When it comes to the driving experience, the Subaru WRX STI is often characterized by its raw, mechanical feel and robust feedback, making it incredibly engaging. The Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution X, conversely, is known for its sharp, almost digital precision in handling, thanks to its advanced SAWC system. Both cars have left an indelible mark on the automotive world, embodying the spirit of rally racing in street-legal form. Their enduring rivalry and dedicated fan bases underscore their legendary status in performance car history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.